Last December 2019, there was a virus that started in Wuhan, China. The virus was called nCoV, also known as COVID-19 as of today. The virus was proven to infect people through saliva and physical contact. Since the pandemic, there has been a set of rules that has been implemented to hopefully reduce the spread of the virus in public places, such as social distancing and checking of temperatures and sanitizing stations at every entrance. The researchers would like to think of something very helpful for this current situation, but also involves innovation. To help lessen the possibility of a much bigger pandemic, a voice-activated door opener can reduce or limit the spread of the virus. It can not only make people's lives easier, it can be the future device when practicing the new normal.
Door handles specifically honed for bacteria, especially public handles that's frequently used. It is evident that the virus is present and can transmit to one person to another in just one contaminated door handle. The bacteria can spread within seconds from hotels, offices, buildings, or even the healthcare facilities or in our home. Door handles are not regularly sanitized. That is why it is the rapid way that the viruses and bacteria are spreading through.
Every study has a problem that researchers encounter. This can only be solved first by using the hypothesis. This study intends to answer the following questions. First is, how efficient is the voice-activated door opener in terms of speed? Second is, can this device be reliable in terms of accuracy and precision? Lastly is, how will mute and deaf people use this?
The importance of this device is to benefit the people from our society in order to have a minimal chance of occurrence in getting infected. Physical contact will no longer be a problem when it comes to these situations. This voice-activated door opener is specifically designed for public use and to provide for people that need assistance. People that have disabilities can also benefit from this.
As we all know, doorknobs and door handles are dirty objects that contains thousands of bacteria that can harm and danger to the people. They are not frequently cleaned and it's not priority to clean them. The human touch can acquire and transfer bacteria at the same time. Recently, there were a case of a known virus from Wuhan, China. As of now, the virus is still continuing to spread to all of the countries in the world.
This project can and will be useful, but of course, it has its limitations. This device does not apply to all types of door handles. Specifically, this research is intended for door lever handles only. It cannot be used for doorknobs or push-pull doors or handle a heavy weighing door that requires push or pull or doors that need to exert human force. This device will be detachable for the safety of the people using it. It can be attached when it's ready to use or serve its purpose.
The materials that we need to conduct this experiment are Arduino Uno, voice recognition module, 5v2 channel relay module, 2 pieces of solenoid, 6 pieces of AA batteries, 1 piece of 9x6-inch thin flat plywood, 2 pieces of 3x6-inch thin flat plywood, industrial glue, elastic rope, string, and a 100x100 by 0.2mm sheet plate metal. To connect the following materials, the 9x6 piece of thin flat wood must be connected to the top of the door lever inside the house by putting industrial glue. The Arduino that is connected with voice recognition module and 5v2 channel relay module must be put on top of the thin flat wood that is connected to the door. Then a piece of 3x6-inch thin flat plywood must be placed to the right side of the Arduino with the voice recognition module and 5v2 channel relay module to connect the 6 pieces of AA batteries with battery holder. The 2 pieces of solenoid must be put on top and to the front of the door lever. The one on top is to lift the door lever to open the door with the string, and to the front of the door lever is to lock the door that has 100x100 by 0.2mm sheet plate metal that connects to the solenoid. And lastly, place an elastic rope for the stronghold at the top of the door when it opens or closes. To test if the product is working, it needs to run a few tests with different range of voices and how far the device can detect the voice for it to run.
One essential factor in making a decision is the cost analysis. Using this analysis can help teams identify the highest and best return in an investment based on the cost, resources, and risk involved. After careful study and using the cost analysis method, we have come out with a device called Voice Activated Door Opener. For this product, we can say that it is very feasible for it will only cost a total of 3,408.66 pesos, but the 3,000 is not final because the prices may vary on where the product can be bought.